Whether you wish to explore the outdoors or within the self, Kedarkantha's extravagant glory and gallant peaks serve it all. Ascending to an altitude of 3,810 meters, it is a starkly distinct snow trekking destination. In the summer, Trek holds enchanting meadows, vibrant flowers, lofty coniferous trees and a queenly river. From mid-November to April, the trail is canopied by a giant silver sheet of snow, providing you with the best winter trekking experience. If you are unfamiliar with the trail, it is always better to go with locals. Trekup India is the pioneer of Indian professional outdoors and touring agencies in the valley. Trekup India provides a 6-day cautiously curated itinerary for Kedarkantha Trek. The majestic 20-kilometer trek of Kedarkantha starts from Sankri village, which is 200 kilometers from Dehradun. On day 1, Trekup India will pick you from Dehradun. The team will then head for Sankri. The drive from Dehradun to Sankri is one of the most beautiful drives of Indian Himalayas. As we reach the destination, you adore the gorgeous sunset peeking from the valley. On the second day, the actual thrill begins. The day starts with the guide instructing alarms and advice for the expedition. Trekup India provides rental and purchasing services of necessary trekking equipment for anyone who needs it. They carry emergency kits, medical supplies and oxygen cylinders for your safety and comfort during the trek. After having breakfast, we begin our first 4-kilometer long trek from Sankri to Juda Ka Talab. On the way, you will witness the abundance of beauty of maple trees and water streams during the trail. The day ends with an astonishing sunset and stargazing from the alluring tents. With the new sunrise comes another warm day. Day 3 begins with the giggles and smiles of the trekkers as the guide conducts some boosting fun activities. On this day, we will be covering one of the most challenging and attractive treks, that is to Kedarkantha's base camp, Lohasu, which is 3 km. Trekup India professionals will not let any stone unturned to lessen the hurdles on your path. They check on your vitals, provide consistent instructions and guidance during the trek. They also provide you with crampons and gaiters for a safe and sound trekking experience in the snow. The vivid glimpses on the way and remote camps will certainly compensate for your tiredness. You will not like to miss out on the chance of learning to set up your tents. The day ends with stargazing and slumbering far from chaos under the celestial sky. On day 4, we will start early trekking to not miss out on the shot of witnessing spellbinding sunrise from Kedarkantha peak. The 6-kilometer long trek takes roughly 3 hours. This patch of trek takes place at night in the dark. However, Trekup India's expert guidelines, consistent mental and medical support and motivation makes everything fall into place. You will find yourself spellbound by sunrise and the dreamy glimpse of several prominent peaks of Indian Himalayas. After lunch, we will descend to spend the night in the tents on the next campsite, Hargaon. On day 5, you will be covering a 4-kilometer trek from Hargaon camp to Sankri village. On the 6th day, we will be heading back to Dehradun. However, the flashbacks from the adrenaline-kicking voyage, rich culture and warm hospitality of Trekup India will keep hitting your soul. We assure you that each moment of the 6-day long trek will bring in notable anecdotes to share for the rest of your lives. So are you ready to lose yourself in the ascent and descent of the trail to find yourself a bit more? We will be waiting.